Wave start in English. A simple guide to an engaging phrase. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Wave start. Whether you're a runner, an event organizer, or just someone curious about English idioms and phrases, understanding what wave start means can be both interesting and useful. Let's dive into the world of this phrase and see how it's used in different situations. When we break down the phrase, wave start, we're looking at two words that each have their own meaning. A wave can refer to the movement of the sea or a way to describe a group or series of something that follows in succession. A start is the beginning of an event or process. So, putting them together, a wave start, in its most literal sense, could mean the beginning of a wave or a series of starts. In many sports events, particularly those that involve a large number of participants like marathons or triathlons, a wave start refers to the practice of starting the race in groups at different times. This is done to prevent overcrowding and to ensure that everyone has a smooth and safe experience. It's also a way to separate participants based on skill level or other categories, so that competitors are starting with others at a similar pace. Apart from sports, wave start can be used metaphorically in various scenarios. For instance, in project management, the term might be used to describe the phased initiation of different components of a project. In a social event or party context, it may refer to guests being admitted in intervals to avoid congestion. It's a versatile phrase that captures the essence of starting something in staggered groups rather than all at once. Now that we understand what wave start means, let's put it into practice. Here are some examples. The marathon implemented a wave start to prevent runners from tripping over each other. Our company launches products using a wave start strategy to manage customer service efficiently. To manage the flow of attendees, the concert will have a wave start entry. Remember, using the phrase correctly in context will help you sound more fluent and precise in your communication. And that's a wrap on the meaning and usage of the phrase, wave start. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this term and how you can apply it to different areas of your life. If you've got any questions, or if there's another phrase or idiom you'd like us to explore, drop a comment below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.